All right. We just did the video with the ghost pepper challenge, and I'm just now getting my taste back. And John decided she wants me to eat the whole thing and see if I can. And like, it's this. So I'm gonna try to eat the whole thing if I can.
Oh my god.
What's left, which there's quite a bit you can see.
No, you have to eat it all.
I only drew it a little bit at a time.
Oh my gosh. Is it hot?
Mm-hmm.
I'm making him eat the rest.
Where are you having a video from?
No, you're not being videoed. You gotta finish it. Finish it. Oh.
What?
You gotta finish it. Oh my gosh.
Hot. It's real hot.
Oh my gosh, he's sweating.
Emma.
Yeah.
Oh my. Oh my.
Oh, your tongue's even red.
I don't recommend that. That kind of sucks. But if you like, give me a thumbs up. Bye.
Next up will be frozen jelly fruit.